Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to add shapes to your Canva designs? Canva Mobile makes it easy to add different shapes and customize them to match your design style. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add shapes in Canva Mobile on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. You can open an existing design project or create a new design project. For this example, I'll create a new design, tap video, then choose the design tab you want to use. Next, select a template to continue. Once the editor opens, tap on an empty area of the design, then select elements. Choose shapes. Canva will display different shapes that you can add to your design. Tap the shape you want to use. You can resize, move, and adjust the shape based on your preference. Customize the shape until it matches your design. Once you're finished, tap the checkmark icon. The changes will be saved. To save your design, tap the upload icon. You can choose share or download. For this example, I'll select download. The download screen will appear. You can choose a file type and quality setting or leave the default settings as they are. Then tap download. Canva will begin downloading your design. And that's how to add shapes in Canva Mobile on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.